Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello students of third grade. How are you today? Hopefully today you are fine. Today we are going to discuss on chapter 7, Damdas 16 Batu Game. And here the lesson for you. Please pay attention carefully. Chapter 7, Damdas 16 Batu Game. On this chapter, we are going to learn about 1. Procedures text, 2. Damdas 16 Batu. Well class, and here the lesson for you. Please pay attention carefully. Well student, what is Damdas 16 Batu Game? Here it is. Around Jakarta. The rules of Damdas 16 Batu Game. Aturan permainan Damdas 16 batu. Damdas 16 batu or Damdas of 16 stones is a simple game that is played by two people using stones and a board. Damdas 16 batu atau Damdas 16 of stones adalah sebuah permainan yang sederhana yang mana dimainkan oleh dua orang dengan menggunakan batu dan sebuah papan. Here are the rules in the game of Damdas 16 stones. Ini adalah peraturan dalam permainan Damdas 16 stones. 1. Both players put stones according to the points provided and make switch to determine who plays first. 1. Kedua pemain menaruh batu-batu menurut poin-poin yang sudah disajikan dan membuat switch untuk menentukan siapa yang pertama bermain. 2. The first player move one stone to the front line and is followed by the second player. Pemain pertama memindahkan satu batu ke baris depan dan diikuti oleh pemain kedua. Both players follow the first player's movements to completion. Kedua pemain tersebut mengikuti gerakan pemain pertama untuk menyelesaikan. 3. Players can eat each other's stones. Para pemain bisa memakan batu-batu yang lain. 4. Even though there are lines on the board, meskipun ada baris-baris di papan, players can walk forward. Players can walk forward, backward, right side, and left side. Nah, para pemain bisa berjalan ke depan, ke belakang, samping kanan, dan samping kiri. 5. A player is declared a winner if he reaches the gunungan in the opponent's territory first. Seorang pemain dikatakan menjadi seorang pemenang bila ia mencapai gunungan di wilayah lawan terlebih dahulu. 6. The player is declared defeated if he has no more stones to run. Pemain dikatakan dia kalah apabila dia tidak memiliki batu lagi untuk dijalankan. Okay, well class, this one about the rules of Damdas 16 batu game. And let's continue. A. Speaking. Please, you write on your notebook what I said from number 1 to 5. Okay, you write what I said. Number 1, stone. Number 1, stone. Number 2, forward. Number 2, forward. Number 3, winner. Number 3, winner. Number 4, player. Number 4, player. Number 5, game. Number 5, game. Well, class, please you write the answer on your notebook. Silahkan tulis jawabannya di buku kalian apa yang telah anak-anak dengarkan baru saja. Dan we continue for the next lesson. B. Speaking. Repeat after your teacher. Ikuti setelah guru kalian, Abdul and Yarfa. Hai Yarfa. Hai Yarfa. Hai Abdul. Hai Abdul. Tomorrow is holiday. Besok hari libur. What do you plan for tomorrow? Apa yang kamu rencanakan untuk besok? I don't have any plan yet. I don't have any plan yet. Saya belum punya rencana. Maybe I will just stay at home and play game or on my gadget. Maybe I will just stay at home and play game on my gadget. Mungkin saya hanya akan tinggal di rumah dan bermain game di gadget aku. Don't play the game too often. Don't play the game too often. Jangan terlalu sering main game. It could be dangerous for us. Ya, bisa jadi berbahaya buat kita. Why don't you play traditional game? Why don't you play traditional game? Kenapa kamu tidak bermain permainan tradisional? What game? Permainan apa itu? Traditional game such as Damdas 16. Permainan tradisional seperti Damdas 16 batu. It is a fun game. Ini permainan yang menyenangkan. I don't understand about that traditional game. I don't understand about that traditional game. Saya tidak memahami tentang permainan tradisional itu. But it sounds interesting. Tapi kedengarannya menarik. I can tell you the detail about how to play that game. I can tell you the detail about how to play the game. Saya bisa menceritakan ke kamu detailnya tentang permainan, cara bermain permainan tersebut. We shall play it tomorrow. Kita akan bermain besok. Alright, baiklah. It will be nice to have a game with you tomorrow. It will be nice to have a game with you tomorrow. Wah, ini akan menjadi permainan yang menarik denganmu besok. Oke, well class, please you read and you learn it again. Well student, for your second exercise, please answer this question according to the dialogue. Nah, anak-anak tugas yang kedua, silahkan nanti anak-anak jawab pertanyaan ini berdasarkan dialog yang sudah kita bahas tadi. Dan berikut, I'm going to discuss about this question. Exercise. Answer this question. Number 1. Who are the person in the dialogue? Siapa orang-orang yang ada di percakapan tersebut? 2. What does Yarfa has a plan for tomorrow? Apa yang Yarfa punya sebuah rencana untuk besok? Atau apa rencana atau apa program Yarfa untuk besok? 3. What is the traditional game name? Apa nama permainan tradisional tersebut? Number 4. Does Yarfa know how to play it? Apakah Yarfa tahu bagaimana cara memainkannya? Number 5. When does Abdul ask for Yarfa to play it? When? Kapan Abdul mengajak Yarfa untuk bermain itu atau untuk memainkannya? Well class, you write the questions and the answer. Tulis soal dan jawabannya. Well class, let's continue. Well students, please pay attention about the writing. Arrange these words. Susunlah kata-kata berikut. I will give you the first letter for clue. Nah, Mister akan kasih kata pertama sebagai clue-nya. Number 1 is we. We. Number 2, I. Number 3, we. Number 4, Damdas 16 batu. Damdas 16 batu. Number 5, the. Okay, well class, I have given to you the clues. Please you write down the answer on your notebook. So you have 3 duties today. Thank you and good luck for you. Well students, today we have discussed about this chapter. Thanks for your attention. Thanks for your watching. God bless you always. See you next meeting. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.